Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this 3 ingredients brightening cream, so keep watching. The very first ingredient you're going to be needing is our shea butter. Shea butter is very moisturizing and it's also easy to get, but you can substitute this with any other butter like your mango butter, avocado butter and the likes. Next, you're going to be needing a carrier oil. I am using jojoba oil. You can choose to use any other carrier oil that your skin loves. I'm using jojoba oil. You can use coconut oil. Just pick the best oil for you. Next, we're going to add our carrier oil, which is jojoba oil, into the shea butter. Now we're going to add it into the shea butter. Since the shea butter is also like a solid oil, so they will be able to mix together. So now we are going to mix both of them together until you have them properly combined. You can also choose to dissolve the shea butter on heat, but I am choosing to just mix both of them together to dissolve the shea butter. As you can see, as I keep mixing, the shea butter is combining well with the oil. We are going to keep mixing until we have a very fluffy consistency and there are no lumps in the mixture. You don't want to have lumps in your cream. Now here is what it looks like after mixing for about 5 minutes. As you can see, we have a very fluffy mixture. Let's set this aside and move on to our next ingredient. The next ingredient we need is our aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is extremely hydrating. It will moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin and keep your skin looking soft and supple. So now we're going to add our shea butter and carrier oil mixture into the aloe vera gel. We need the both of them to come together for us to have our very beautiful cream. Once we add all the mixtures together, now we are going to mix to combine. Now you want to give this a very good mix. You want everything to be well incorporated. You don't want your cream to start separating after a while, so make sure you mix very well to combine both together. The aloe vera gel used in this recipe is the already made aloe vera gel. If you want to extract your aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant, then you have to know that your cream will not last long. You have to renew or make new ones every 2 days at least. After proper mixing, this is what our cream is looking like at this point. As you can see, it's already looking beautiful. Now let's add other ingredients. The next ingredient we're adding is the turmeric powder. This is our main ingredient. This is the ingredient that's going to give us that brightening effect. So we're going to be adding this into our cream for that extra brightening. Now we are going to add the turmeric powder into our mixed cream. You can also substitute this with turmeric oil if that is what you have. After adding the turmeric powder into our cream, it's time to give it a very good mix. You need to mix to combine your turmeric powder with your cream so that you don't have clumps of turmeric powder all over the cream. You need it well mixed. This is our cream after proper mixing. As you can see, it looks beautiful and it feels even more beautiful on the skin. Now lastly, I'm going to be adding in vitamin E oil. This is an antioxidant. It will help to keep our oils from oxidating. We're also going to mix that in to ensure that it's properly combined with our cream. Now after proper mixing, here is what our final product looks like. As you can see, this looks so good. Now I'm going to transfer this into my jar and keep it for use. This cream is great for hyperpigmentation, for dark spots. It will help to fade dark areas of the skin. It can be applied both day and night on clean skin. If you loved this video and you found it helpful, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe and share this video. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye!